Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about day trading, in particular, a type of day trading known as gap trading. Gap trading exists when stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open as a result of some news event or some other reason why a stock may be gapping in one direction or another more than, let's say, 4 or 5%. That creates an opportunity. And in my course at LazyGapTrader.com, I teach how to take advantage of those opportunities, specifically with two gap trading strategies. One is the morning gap trades, which I'm going to show you here in this video today, specifically with Lululemon. The second is another strategy, which is a gap fill strategy, which is another day trading technique that I teach in the course. Both these put together creates a license to be successful in the market if you have the desire and the discipline to do so. The course I teach is very comprehensive. It gives you everything you need to know about gap trading and beyond. In addition to that, I provide members that want them an additional option to get my gap trades each and every day. And with that, they get maybe 2, maybe 3, 4 trades that are the right stocks at the right time with the right opportunity. So what happens is I give specific price levels. Let's take a look at the email that went out to subscribers this morning so you can get an idea of what I'm referring to. So here's the email that went out to subscribers this morning. There were 3 gap trading opportunities today: Lululemon, Carnival Corp, CCL, and Ambarella AMBA. Carnival did not hit its level. It came up short. It becomes a no trade. If a stock doesn't hit the specified support or resistance level that I identify and also teach you how to identify in the course, then it's a no trade. We only want to trade the levels that we want to trade. We're never chasing a stock up or down. Ambarella, you can see here I say gap lower support level is 66.90. It did hit that level, but there was a specific reason why that became a no trade, which is also obviously taught in my course. So anybody that took my course didn't take a trade on Ambarella today for a very specific reason, which is very important, which would have resulted in a loss had you taken the trade. And that's why I teach in my course, when don't you want to take a trade, which a lot of times is just as important, if not more important, than when to take a trade. So let's take a look at Lululemon. That one worked out. It was another winner. Gap lower. Support levels are $67.04 and $64.76. And I say stop and profit target is about 50 to 75 cents. Then I go on to specify that there's another level at $69.59 for aggressive traders only. So it was an aggressive level. Let's go take a look at Lululemon and see what happened. So I drill down to the 1-minute chart so that we can get a magnified view of what took place. So you can see here that the stock closed yesterday at $76.66. Today, the stock opened at $70.58, so it was getting a pretty significant haircut at the open. In my course, I teach specifically what stocks we're looking for, what characteristics in the stocks we're looking for in terms of volume, market capitalization, which stocks are the ones that work with the gap trading methodology is what I teach in my course. We're trading the stocks that institutions trade. I'm helping you to identify the levels where institutions are likely to step in and make a trade. And with that, you can trade right alongside the institutions instead of fighting the institutions. If you fight them, you're not going to win. If you trade alongside them, you're just trying to pick up some of the leftover remnants, and that's fine for us day traders out here. So 69.59 was the aggressive gap trading level. You can see what happened in this candle here in the 7th candle of the day, the 7th minute of the day. The stock made a low of $69.55, piercing through the level by only 4 cents. Now, in the next candle of the day, 1 minute later, the stock was at a high of $70.28, representing a 69-cent potential maximum gain in just 1 minute of trading. So in the email, I specified we were looking for a profit target of between 50 $1.75. It fits the criteria. It went up 69 cents, so we got our fill. Some folks might have gotten 50 cents. Some folks might have gotten more if you stayed with it. Either way, it's another winning trade in the books from the morning gaps. Folks, this is a wonderful, unbelievable opportunity to learn how to trade the markets the right way. This is one method, one strategy that can produce between 15 and 20, maybe even 22 trades a month sometimes. It's a phenomenal opportunity. That's just with the morning gaps. That doesn't include the gap fill trades. That's a whole list of other trades right off the morning gaps, and I teach that in my course too. So you get a total picture, a total comprehensive course, a total methodology of how to trade the gaps in this market. I'm David Frost. Come visit LazyGapTrader.com. I'm happy to help anybody I can with anything as it relates to trading. It's what I do. Thanks for tuning in, folks. David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com.